Welcome to the School of Breath, where you relearn the simple act of breathing. If you're new to this channel, my name is Abi Dugal and I help you create life by design. In this video, we're going to practice a very important pranayama known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing. And if you stick around until the end of the video, we'll give you a technique to make this pranayama more effective for yourself. So what is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama? Let's break these two words, Nadi and Shodhan or Shuddhi. Shuddhi means purification or cleanse, and Nadi means your energy channels. Now you have around 72,000 nadis, energy channels in your pranic body according to hatha yoga. And these channels have three most important channels called Ida, pingala and sushumna. Ida is originating from your left nostril. So think about that as your feminine nostril, feminine nadi, feminine energy channel. Pingala is your masculine energy channel. And sushumna is neutral. And all these energy channels meet at 7 important junctions called vortexes. Throughout the spine, these energy channels meet, and those vortexes are called 7 chakras of your human body. And these chakras allow the energy to flow up through the spine, through the sushumna nadi. And these chakras, my dear friends, are usually blocked or have imbalances throughout our body because of our modern lifestyle, because of our lack of sleep sometimes, because of our bad eating habits, or because of our traumas we've gotten growing up. And these imbalances are not good for our mind or body. And that's why we engage in Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, the alternate nostril breathing. And through this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, you can clear the energy blockages and you can express yourself more freely. So let's begin with a beginner Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and then we'll go into intermediate and advanced one. The posture should be Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. And when you go into advanced, you should engage the Padmasana because it helps in engaging the energy and locking the energy throughout the channels. Left hand, engage the chin mudra. Bring your thumb and index finger and place it upside down, so palm facing up on your left knee. For the right hand, you want to engage in Vishnu mudra. So bring your index finger and your tall finger, middle finger to fold. Your ring finger and your small finger and thumb are open. So with your right thumb, close your right nostril. Very important to use only your right hand for these practices because the right nostril represents sun channel and your thumb represents fire. So this sun and fire should be aligned. If you use left hand, for example, this is fire and this is the moon nostril. So it's misaligned and your elements in the body get confused, and that can create a lot of damage to your pranic body. So always use the right hand for mudra, Vishnu mudra. So let's begin. You want to close your right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale from the left. Always inhale from the left. Always start this pranayama with the left side. Inhaling for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale from the right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, in the beginners, we use this 1 to 1 to 1 ratio, which means inhaling for 5, holding for 5, and exhaling for 5. In the intermediate, we go on holding the breath for a longer time, double it. So 5 inhale, 10 holding, and then 7 exhaling. You want to elongate the exhales more than the inhales. And then in advanced versions, we want to do 5, 1 ratio 3. So 15 hold. And then exhale for 10. So 1, 3, and 2. And don't worry about calculating all this. We've already created animations for you for beginners, intermediate, and advanced version. So you can just follow that and just focus on the breath. So it's very important to start from the beginners. Spend 2 weeks in the beginner pranayama before you go to intermediate. 2 weeks is minimum as per the scriptures. Because my friends, you're dealing with something which is not tangible at the energy level. And when you're dealing with something at the energy level, you don't want to force anything. You want to allow these things to happen naturally, organically. So if you're holding the breath and you're holding it and forcing your body to hold it more and more, that's going to end up damaging your body. Let's talk about the science behind this pranayama. We already talked about engaging the left and the right side of the brain on the physical level. But what's going on the energetic level? So in the beginning of the video, we said we'll give you a technique that's going to make this pranayama breathing technique more effective. And that technique, my friends, is called kumbhaka. Kumbhaka in yoga means holding your breath. And what does holding the breath do? When you're dealing with this pranayama, you can only work with what you can see and what you can touch, something tangible. So your breath is tangible. So that's why we're working on our physical body with our breath. But what's going on in the background while you engage your breath and hold the breath, it's actually compressing the prana. And this concentrated prana, when you release it, starts to open the energetic channels slowly, starts to dispel the energy which is stored around your traumas slowly and gradually. So that's the reason, my friends, that Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, or energy channel purification channel, is a complete meditation practice, and in the advanced stage it can lead you to samadhi, because as you're holding the breath, you're actually stilling your mind. That's why, my friends, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is not just the most important pranayama, but it's regarded as the first pranayama you want to engage in before you start engaging in any other energy practices or kriyas or pranayama. So my friends, I hope you got a little value from this video, and I hope you're going to practice this pranayama and be able to clean your energy. And if you have any comments, put it in the comment section so we all can benefit from these comments, your experiences throughout your practice and where you are in your practice, and if you have any bottlenecks. Till next time, my name is Abidugal, and I help you create life by design. Namaste, peace, love, sign.